How to log in into the Nordstrom Employee Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Nordstrom Employee Login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Nordstrom Employee Portal. Open it. You'll be directed to the login page. Now, from here, you can easily access your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and fill this. Firstly, type in the username. Then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for this option, Keep Me Signed In. In the case you have forgotten your password, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Sign In, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. This way, you can easily log into Nordstrom Employee Portal. If you are having any issues logging into your account, you can use these options to resolve your issue. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.